Welcome back, creators! We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, two handheld leveling machine brands will be going head-to-head. We have the YSJWAER Handheld Leveling Machine and the Mxmoonfree Handheld Leveling Machine. If you've ever struggled to get tiles level on your home improvement projects, you may need a portable leveling machine. Using this tool, you may install floor and wall tiles on your own without needing to hire a contractor, making it a worthwhile investment. In today's video, we'll be pitting two top-of-the-line handheld leveling machines, the YSJWAER Handheld Leveling Machine and the Mxmoonfree Handheld Leveling Machine, against each other in a battle of epic proportions. Both of these handheld leveling machines have earned 5 badges from our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com, attesting to their quality, durability, and performance. However, there's only one room for a winner, so sit back, relax, and watch as we battle it out in today's brand wars. If you're interested in the other handheld leveling machines that we reviewed, do check out our handheld leveling machine review video link below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these handheld leveling machines will be going toe-to-toe with would be their vibration frequency. The speed at which your machine is running is shown by the vibration frequency. It's typically measured in RPM, which stands for revolutions per minute. When you're in the market for a handheld leveling machine, remember to choose one that has the capability of changing vibration frequency seamlessly and without hiccups. The YSJWAER Handheld Leveling Machine offers 6 gears of adjustment in terms of vibration frequency with a maximum of 18,000 revolutions per minute. This is quite impressive and powerful given the unit's sleek form factor. On the flip side, the Mxmoonfree Handheld Leveling Machine offers stepless vibration control, which allows you to adjust vibration frequencies at will instead of pressing a button. By way of its stepless vibration control, we are awarding the Mxmoonfree Handheld Leveling Machine as the winner of this category. Having said that, it takes the first point to start off the battle. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their absorption capacity. A handheld leveling machine's absorption capacity indicates how much the tool can carry. As a rule of thumb, the bigger the capacity of your machine, the smoother and easier the work will be. For this reason, we really think you should get a unit with a good amount of adsorption capacity. The YSJWAER Handheld Leveling Machine offers 200 kilograms of tile suction force, which is an impressive figure for its size. In fact, its adsorption capacity is colossal when compared to the Mxmoonfree Handheld Leveling Machine's 45 kilogram tile suction force. Where it shines, however, is in its adsorption lock design, which ensures that the suction cup is kept in locked state without having to hold the handle at all times. As convenient as Mxmoonfree's adsorption lock design is, it would be amiss to say that we weren't impressed with the YSJWAER Handheld Leveling Machine's whopping 200 kilogram tile suction force. For that reason, we are awarding it as the winner of this category as it ties the battle up at 1 apiece. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their battery performance. With a bigger battery, you can get more power to do heavy-duty work. That said, we highly suggest that you look for a handheld leveling machine with decent battery life. That'll make sure that you never run out of power while you're installing tiles. The YSJWAER Handheld Leveling Machine comes with 2 batteries with a capacity of 12,000 milliamp hours. The capacity of the battery is quite impressive as far as tile vibrations go. With 2 batteries, it can be used in a turn charging system. This can provide you with some stable and reliable performance. On the flip side, the Mxmoonfree Handheld Leveling Machine comes with 2 2,000 milliamp hour capacity rechargeable batteries. A fully charged battery can run for 2 to 5 hours, and it only takes 2 hours to full charge. For its sheer stronger battery performance, the Mxmoonfree Handheld Leveling Machine is the definitive winner in this category. Having said that, it earns 1 point and leads the battle at 2-1. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their suction diameter. The thicker the diameter of the suction, the stronger it can hold and absorb. In simple terms, a bigger diameter means your machine will be able to carry a bigger load or weight. This is why we recommend choosing a handheld leveling machine that offers as big a suction diameter as you could possibly need. After all, you wouldn't want to be left underpowered for the task at hand. The YSJWAER Handheld Leveling Machine has a suction diameter of 4.7 inches or 120 millimeters. This is much more impressive when taking into consideration the form factor of the machine. As for the competition, the Mxmoonfree Handheld Leveling Machine has a suction diameter of 3.9 inches or 99 millimeters. A bonus that it has, however, is its impeccable suction cup, which allows for easier lifting and placing of tiles. As clear as day, the YSJWAER Handheld Leveling Machine is the winner of this category. Its significantly larger suction diameter earns it 1 point to tie the battle up at 2 apiece. The fifth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their ease of operation. Installing tiles can be tiring work, which is why we highly suggest choosing a handheld leveling machine that's easy to understand and use right out of the box. Additionally, an ergonomic and user-friendly design can go a long way towards making your experience that much smoother and easier. Having said that, your machine shouldn't be too heavy and cumbersome to work with in order to avoid accidents and mishaps. The YSJWAER Handheld Leveling Machine features a simple control design where you can press the button to start the tile vibration machine, and the display screen will show all the vibration modes. This allows you to effectively choose the suitable vibration according to your installation needs. On the flip side, the Mxmoonfree Handheld Leveling Machine is lightweight enough to 2.3 pounds to allow for easy use. This makes leveling tiles a breeze and allows tiles to set more securely without air pockets. Its portable design also makes it ideal for home use, personal decoration, kitchen renovation, and more. As much as we love the sleek design of the YSJWAER Handheld Leveling Machine, there's no denying that the compact form factor of the Mxmoonfree Handheld Leveling Machine makes it a much easier tool to use at any time. For this reason, we are awarding it as the winner of this category, and it earns the final point to win the battle. Finally, we have come to the end of this battle of handheld leveling machines between the YSJWAER Handheld Leveling Machine and the Mxmoonfree Handheld Leveling Machine. Even though it was a very tough fight, the Mxmoonfree Handheld Leveling Machine beats the YSJWAER Handheld Leveling Machine by a narrow margin of 1 point. As much as we would like to keep going on about the wonderful features these handheld leveling machines offer, there can only be one victor today, and the Mxmoonfree Handheld Leveling Machine has already claimed its throne as it waits for yet one more battle with another formidable opponent. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the YSJWAER Handheld Leveling Machine and the Mxmoonfree Handheld Leveling Machine has finally ended. If you have any contenders for next handheld leveling machine face-off, which you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.